Hi, I'm Leslie, co-founder of Member Hero, and today I'm really excited to bring to you the Mailchimp add-on. We worked really hard to make sure that this add-on, combined with our core plugin, is everything you need to turn your blog and email newsletter into a premium publication. So without further ado, let me give you a tour of the features. So today we're at a different page. Instead of the Member Hero demo site, which I typically show you guys around, we are actually at my own personal website, leslie.pizza. So as you can see, there's a notification from Member Hero asking us to enter a valid API key. So if we click on this, that takes us directly to Member Hero, Settings, and Add-ons, and then to the Mailchimp add-on. So to begin syncing your WordPress account with your Mailchimp account, you can create an API key by clicking on that link. And this brings you into your Mailchimp account. So obviously, if you're not already logged in, you'll have to do so. And in our case, we have an API key here already, but you might have to create a key if you don't already have one. So let's just go ahead and copy this API key, come back to our settings, and key our API key in, scroll to the bottom, and save changes. And you'll see successful integration with your Mailchimp account, and that's how you know that you've successfully integrated. So let's go ahead and look at the rest of the Mailchimp settings we have over here. So SSL verification, you should just keep this as checked unless you're having trouble connecting. The next is a feature that we're pretty proud of, and that is two-way syncing between Mailchimp and WordPress. So you can sync Mailchimp to WordPress, meaning if you make a change on Mailchimp site, this gets updated on the WordPress site. And you can do this by configuring a webhook. So in our case, the webhook URL is this, so we can just copy it, visit audience dashboard, head to settings, scroll down to webhooks, and simply create new webhook. So we enter our callback URL over here and hit save. Okay, so now our webhooks are configured. So again, this means that anything that happens in Mailchimp will be synced over to your website. So for example, if you change the email address of one of your contacts, you'll be able to see it reflected in the new email address in WordPress for that same user. So next, we're going to look at syncing from WordPress to Mailchimp. And this happens automatically when you activated this Mailchimp add-on. So we can keep this box checked to allow the changes, or you can uncheck it if you don't want WordPress to sync up to Mailchimp. But in our case, we're just going to keep it checked. The next thing we're going to look at is audience settings. So delete user from mailing list when user account is deleted. So let's say you have a user account on your website and they've deleted their account, they don't want to be a member anymore on your website, then this automatically deletes their email from your mailing list as well. This is helpful because it automatically cleans and updates your mailing list without you having to worry about it. So now let's take a look at the account page section. These are the features that users are able to access on their own account pages. So for this example, I'm going to show you on the Member Hero demo site because I don't actually have users on my personal website. So here you can see this is the Member Hero demo site and email subscriptions, which is this tab. So if we uncheck this, then email subscriptions tab, this tab will disappear. But in our case, you can see that we've enabled it, so you can subscribe and unsubscribe just by clicking on this. The next is double opt-in. So let's say a user was previously unsubscribed to your email list, and then they subscribe and save changes. So if double opt-in is enabled, then they'll receive an email to double opt-in before they are confirmed as a new contact on Mailchimp. Okay, so this is double opt-in for bulk subscriptions. And in our case, all you want to do is decide whether or not you want to enable double opt-in when users are added via the bulk subscribe tool. So the next is the cache settings. And this is really handy if you've made any updates on your website and you want to make sure that it's reflected in Mailchimp. By clearing cache, you can reset everything and make sure both are synced again. And finally, we have log requests, which help developers debug issues and know what's going on. All right, so let's save changes and move on to the next thing. All right, now that we've set up syncing for Mailchimp and WordPress, we have to configure what exactly it is we're syncing. And so for this, we're going to go into custom fields. So in custom fields, on the right-hand column, you can see the title Mailchimp tag. And this is the Mailchimp merge tags. So if we head over to our audience dashboard again, and we go to settings, we scroll down to audience fields and merge tags. Okay, so here we've got two types of merge tags. We've got email and first name. So let's copy just the tag itself, which is email in this case, and head back over here to the far right column, looking at the email address row. And we can just enter the word email here, and you can see that it's automatically saved. So just notice that we've already added the tag for you, so all you need is the text itself. And again, we'll just copy fname, head over to the first name row, and it's saved. Perfect. And with that, we've successfully integrated Mailchimp to your website. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm super excited about it. I'm going to show you how you can publish a post and a newsletter at the same time using our Mailchimp integration. See you in the next one. Have a great day.